Hello guys, this is how you can participate on these circles. Now, and currently I've been working on this, and I think now if you join circles, you'll be given stars. Now, this project not really hard, sharp, not hard. It's just simple. So the main thing is just for you converting your stars to circles. All right. So I reserve this one so I can show you example how you can do this. So once you come into the circles app, this is how you do it. You can just input the number of stars you want to convert to circles. Now, let me explain the circles. Now, let me take the major, for example, the major airdrop. When we do some of the tasks, we are giving major tokens. So, like this one is not like that. This one, they will give us stars. Like, take for example, now, if you come to your end session, okay, like this one says follow on Telegram to get 2000 stars. So let's follow them on Telegram, subscribe. I'm already on the channel already. So just check subscription. Now they gave us 2000 sparks. Sparks. Now that 2000 sparks, we're gonna need to convert them to circles. These circles now be the real token. I don't know why they don't like that. They were just to give us circles direct instead of doing this whole thing. Or anyhow, sure. We go see one. So this is how you can convert your sparks to circles. So I think this is the original token, not this one. So you can just come here, click on this, and then you can take it to 100. Yes. So let's say you want to use 10,000 for example. Now you see this 10,000 is from these sparks. You need to convert it to circles. As you can see, currently I have 32,000 circles. Just click on upgrade. Just wait for some time. Now successfully, you see now it's 52,000. So just claim. You can double it by using 400 stars, but it's not compulsory. So that is how you can convert your sparks to your circles. So please, if you know you don't have any of these, you have a lot of this. Please convert every one of them. Maybe down that one. So 7729. Then they upgrade. They use that these stars till they upgrade the gold circles. And then just you can double it with 310 stars. But please it's not compulsory. So that is it's nice how it's done. You can come here to perform most of the tasks one time. Just I've done all this one already. These are their partners. You can also do this to accumulate more tokens, more sparks. I mean, these are the leaderboards. People are already talking. Wow, is she? So this is where you can connect your wallet from here. Sparks, and it's coming soon. I've upgraded 6 times. So you can invite your friends from here. I've invited some good number of friends. And so that's that. This project not really hard. I just like very simple. So that is how you can speed on the circles. Thank you guys. See you on our next video.